The Advanced Manufacturing Expo in Grand Rapids happening right now. The place to be for engineers, product designers, tech enthusiasts, and more with insights on robotics, smart manufacturing systems, and many other technologies. Joe Teague, he is the expo organizer. He's way over there. Tony Yang is from Unitree Robotics, who's going to be heavily featured during the expo today. Welcome to the show, guys. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Joe, who do you want this show to be for? I mentioned a few people who might be interested, but who comes to these?
Primarily anybody involved with manufacturing, and that is a very wide gambit. We're talking from engineers to people that work at the show floor, meaning on the factory floor, all the way to management and C-class, like the decision makers, all the way down to salespeople as well. So if you're involved with manufacturing from any aspect, there's likely a solution or an answer to your question at our show.
So this is obviously going to have some serious tech.
A lot of serious tech, some of the best in the world.
I mean, this is, and Unitree, Tony, Unitree has been all over my social media feed because I keep seeing these R1 robots that they're selling for under $6,000 that anybody can buy, and they're showing up everywhere. What are you bringing to the show?
Yeah, for the Advanced Manufacturing Expo, so we'll bring the latest model G1 humanoid robot.
You have a G1 humanoid robot that will be at the show. Not only at the show, can we bring Mr. G1 into the...
Sure.
Okay, we'll bring this in too. Get ready for this. Here comes G1. How you doing? Wave to the camera, guy. Let them know you're here. Or at least, how about a little box?
Fight stance?
Fight stance. There it is.
There we go.
Okay, take it easy. Take it easy. It's a friendly interview. It's a friendly interview. Good robot. Good robot. Oh, So, Tony, talk a little bit about this. What are these units primarily going to be used for in manufacturing? What is the purpose?
So when you look at the fight mode, so which is we collect the data from human.
Okay.
This is like we train those skills to the robots.
So it's watching me as I defend myself and learning from it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, so fighting is just one of the skill which the robot can learn from human, but we are considering teach him more skill, like to do the manufacturing, to do the any skill from human.
I gotta be honest, a lot of owners of companies are really thrilled about this because this little guy is gonna work, right?
He does.
I mean, nonstop. It just keeps on going. So you make that investment and then hopefully you watch your profit margin grow.
Correct, and then that way your other force can actually to move on to other things that this is not able to do yet. So we're not replacing, we're simply shifting the workforce from one place to a better skill set to where this can replace the more mundane.
I'm assuming AI and robotics is going to play such a huge role in this. Will there be, people are questioning where's that next field? Where are those future jobs going to be? Is this a good place to go for that?
Robotics is definitely a smart place to be looking at for anything, for job security, manufacturing, and all of it. Yes, robotics is a very smart place to look at.
Will there be any workshops? I'm sure there's going to be a demo. Obviously, there's going to be a demo of this guy.
Yes.
But seminars, workshops, people get their hands a little dirty, maybe?
Absolutely. We have over 17 different speaking sessions, and then there's live demos taking place at each vendor's booth. So, like Unitree will be there with their G1, but they're also going to be timed live demos to where it's a bigger area for more of a site, if that makes sense. And there's also going to be other autonomous vehicles and robots there as well.
Well, what if somebody who's not in manufacturing is just a tech geek and wants to see the latest coolest stuff? Can I go too?
Absolutely.
Okay,
and all ages too. So we encourage the tech geeks as well as their kids. We want the next generation to see what's coming. And actually First Robotics and other teams will be there at time as well.
Well, we're getting some amazing video of what Unitree's robots can do. As I mentioned, I've seen some of these in action now in actual manufacturing places doing work. So this is coming. If you want to see it live, well, let's do it live right now. Would you mind if I sparred a little bit with your G1?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, let me see if I can get over here. Hey, buddy. So this is, what does the robot do? Does it know I'm here?
Actually, he's not
not live?
It's teleoperate.
Okay.
So, but the robot have a camera and the lidar.
He's operating. All right, what do you say? Stick and move. Stick and move. Uppercut. Right there. He is so agile.
Yeah, right.
And I said he. Oh, that was a low blow. Good boy, good boy. Don't hit me, don't hit me. So if you want to see tech like this, and if you want to see tech like everything else that's out there right now that you've seen on your social media feeds, chances are Unitree's behind it. And they're going to have things like this at the expo. It's happening today, August 6th and 7th, today and tomorrow, at DeVos Place. till 4 o'clock today, till 3 o'clock tomorrow. You want to see the latest in manufacturing and tech, robotics, it's all waiting for you. AdvancedManufacturingExpo.com for more.